because it goes into the different layers of your skin. Ang hyaluronic acid po, ito yung hydrate. Madali, no? Hyaluronic acid hydrates your skin. Pero, hindi po isang klase lang hyaluronic acid. Iba't ibang particle sizes din po ang hyaluronic acid. May malaki, may medium size, may small, may extra small. Why? Because all of these different hyaluronic acids will go through different layers of your skin. So yung medyo mas malaking particle for the surface of your skin. For the medium size, it will penetrate into the second layer of your skin. The pinaka-nano size, yun yung papasok deep into your skin. That's why you don't use just 1, 2, or 3. Vida uses 10 different particles of hyaluronic acid. Ang ibig sabihin po ng 10 different sizes of hyaluronic acid for different layers of your skin. Okay? So all of our Vida has hyaluronic acid, and so does the cleanser. On top of the hyaluronic acid, ang importante din po dito yung panthenol. So what does a panthenol do? Panthenol is an ingredient that actually protects your skin barrier. Pag nag-aaral kayo about Korean skincare, lagi nilang sinasabi na importante ang skin barrier. Why? When your skin barrier is broken, that's when you get melasma, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, and acne. Para po yung sa apple, no? I think I made this explanation before. Pag pupunta po kayo sa supermarket, di ba? Ang ganda ng mga mansanas. Super shiny, looks so luscious, the color is so nice. But did you know that they actually covered up with wax? Di ba? So actually, pag inuwi niyo, you get a small knife, and then you scrape it, there's a thin layer of wax. Wax protects the apple from turning brown, from being eaten by the bugs. Parang yun yung pinaka-protectant niya. Okay? Ngayon, that's what is happening with panthenol. So when your skin barrier, like the wax, is broken, then that's when you get hyperpigmentation again, wrinkles, weakened skin, and acne. Okay? So again, skin barrier is super important. Never, yung pampaputi later na, I always tell my Filipino friends also, you cannot get white without having healthy skin. It's always my prerequisite, di ba? Bago po tayo gumamit ng mga produktong pampaputi, kailangan malusog po yung skin natin. Because if not, it's just a vicious cycle. Parang paulit-ulit lang na magiging masama yung skin natin because whitening ingredients, especially yung mga very harsh, strips your skin of the natural oils and it breaks your skin barrier. Yung mga nagbabalat mo ng parang ahas yan. It's very bad for your skin. So if you notice yung mga taong mahilig magganyan, for a moment, siguro maybe for 2 to 3 weeks or maybe 1 month, parang feeling nila pumuti, feeling nila medyo lumambot yung skin nila. But after that, 6 months later, 8 months later, they will all complain. Bumalik yung melasma ko, lumala pa. Bumalik yung freckles ko, mas lumala. Mas lumala yung acne ko, naging blotch yung skin nila, hindi na pantay yung skin color. So what do? They put more whitening cream. So it's a vicious cycle, diba? So always start with healthy skin. And healthy skin means, number 1, malusog ang ating skin barrier. Lahat tayo meron pong skin barrier. Now, we just need to take care of it.